Hyundai makes a bold entrance at AutoMobility LA, unveiling the all-new 2024 Santa Fe, an SUV redefining versatility and connectivity. Let's explore the innovative, open for more concept, marking a paradigm shift in SUV design. In a showcase for North American media, Hyundai introduces the 2024 Santa Fe, highlighting its open for more philosophy, which revolves around a wider liftgate and an expansive interior. The Santa Fe breaks barriers by transforming the liftgate area into a terrace-like space, seamlessly merging the interior with the outdoors, redefining everyday experiences for passengers. With a $190 million investment at Hyundai Motor Manufacturing, the fifth-generation Santa Fe gears up for production, set to debut the 2.5T model in March 2024, followed by the hybrid model in spring. Hyundai President and CEO Jose Munoz praises the evolution of the Santa Fe, transforming the brand's SUV legacy. The new Santa Fe promises bold design, a spacious interior, and an unprecedented fusion of urban lifestyle with the natural environment. Aesthetically bold and nature-inspired, the Santa Fe's design philosophy emphasizes an enlarged liftgate for an outdoor-friendly experience, shaping a confident road presence. Hyundai's Sang-Yup Lee describes the Santa Fe as the perfect blend between urbanity and outdoor allure. Its elongated wheelbase, robust wheel arches, and wider liftgate add to its distinctive SUV persona. The Santa Fe's interior design harmonizes with its exterior, featuring horizontal and vertical elements for a cohesive SUV character. The interior hosts cutting-edge features, including a panoramic curved display, UVC sterilization compartment, and wireless charging, offering comfort and sophistication for a premium driving experience. Boasting impressive cargo space and best-in-class legroom, the Santa Fe caters to diverse lifestyles, blending practicality for urban dwellers and adventurers alike. Premium features like relaxation comfort seats, power reclining captain's chairs, and a world-first bilateral, multi-console storage space elevate comfort and convenience in the Santa Fe. Safety remains paramount, with Hyundai integrating forward collision avoidance assist, lane following assist, and navigation-based smart cruise control, ensuring a confident and safe driving experience. Efficient powertrain options for the Santa Fe include a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine and a 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid engine, catering to eco-conscious buyers. The 2024 Santa Fe presents a powerful and fuel-efficient lineup, promising an impressive driving experience for city commutes and outdoor escapades. Hyundai's 2024 Santa Fe redefines SUV innovation with its open for more concept, offering an unparalleled blend of design, connectivity, and versatility. Stay tuned for the arrival of this game-changer in March 2024. For more updates on Hyundai's latest, subscribe and stay connected. Thank you for watching.